Welcome back to Apex Crypto Academy, your ultimate home for all your crypto education. As always, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already because we're always bringing you dope, educational, motivational, and life-changing content in crypto. So today I have a very beautiful product that I want to show you guys, and that is how to buy and sell USDT in Kenya securely, easily and faster, because most of you are used to buying and selling USDT using P2P, and as you all know, P2P has its own set of issues. For example, delayed transaction, the counterpart not responding, people trying to fake payment details, people not releasing the assets on time, and at times people open ads and then they are not available. You realize that you made a payment but the counterparty is not there, and also it has so many issues with fraud. That is why we have apexpesa.com, which is an OTC platform with no middleman that allows you to buy or sell USDT easily in Kenya. So first thing first, of course, you have a very very beautiful platform. You can access it either from your phone browser or you can access it either from your laptop. So once you're here, just go to apexpesa.com. Then of course you need to create an account. So go to register your account. Once you register your account, you need to fill in your details, of course, just your name, first name, last name, email address, your username, your phone number, your password, and then you are good to go. So once you've registered, it's very important that you do what you call KYC, so that you can be authenticated in order to transact on the Apex Pesa platform, because you can't transact if you've not done your KYC. So just go to your profile section, then from there go to settings. You can also put in your 2FA, and once you're there, come here to KYC details, upload your KYC information, and then your information is going to get verified, because you can see my KYC is already verified. So once you're there, there's this beautiful dashboard that shows all the transactions that we've done with apexpesa.com. That is all the buys that you've done, all the sales that you've done. If you've not done any transaction, then of course it's gonna show zero because you've not done any transaction. So if you want to buy USDT, very easy. Just come here, click on buy USDT, and then you have the liberty to select where you want this USDT to be sent, okay? Either to a wallet address or to your exchange account, okay? So just come here, go to buy, then enter the amount you want to spend. For example, if I want to buy USDT worth 1,000 Kenya shillings, that means I'm gonna get 7.6 USDTs. Remember, we have no middleman here. All transactions are done immediately. So just come here, click on buy USDT. Okay, once I click on buy USDT, I'm gonna now see all the details pertaining to my transaction. Okay, so I'm paying 1,000 Kenya shillings. I'll receive 7 point something USDT. The rates are here. The service fee 0.75%, almost insignificant. Network fee 0, that means I'm gonna get 7.5 USDT. That is minus a small service fee of less than even 1%. So from here, I will now need to enter the wallet address where I want to receive these USDTs. And we have 3 ways that you can do it, okay? So just click on this plus icon. I can either enter my wallet address, that is the BEP20 address, or I can enter my Binance user ID, or I can enter my Bitget user ID depending on where I want the USDT to be sent. So I'll just go to my Binance account, then I go to deposit because I want to receive USDT. I go to deposit crypto. Then once I go to deposit crypto, I'll just come over here. Then I select the coin that I want to deposit, which is USDT. Then I come here, select the network. You said it's BEP20, so I click on BEP20. Then from there, I get to copy this wallet address. That is where I want the USDT to be sent. So I'll just come here and then select the wallet address. Then I'll come here and I'll paste that wallet address. Then from there, I'm going to click on save, and that wallet address will be saved on my Apex Pesa profile. Also, I can add another address if I want to. For example, I can come here and I want to receive those funds in my Binance user ID, or rather using my Binance user ID. So I'll just come here, I go to more, and I go to Binance Pay so that I can get my Binance user ID, so that if the system wants to send me USDT on my Binance user ID, then that can also be done very seamlessly. So I'll just come here and I copy my Binance user ID, come back to Apex Pesa, click on add a new address, which is Binance, then I paste here my Binance user ID, and then I click on save. So I have saved my wallet address. I've also saved my Binance user ID. Also, if I want to receive these funds on Bitget, remember this is just a one-time thing that you're doing. You will not do this again, because these addresses will be saved on your profile. Go to Bitget, okay? If I want to receive using my Bitget user ID, just come to my profile over here, copy my Bitget user ID, go back to apexpesa.com. Once I'm there, I add a new destination, that is Bitget, and then I paste my Bitget user ID, and then I click on save. There I have it. I have 3 destinations where ApexPesa can send me money. Okay. So once I'm there, I just come down here. I want to select this is Binance. I want these funds to be sent to this address. Again, remember you can put anyone's address here as long as you want those USDTs to be sent to that particular address. It can be your ledger, your trust wallet, your friends' addresses, whoever addresses. Okay. Once I'm here, I click on next very fast. Then from there, I will see now the payment details, where I'm supposed to make payment so that the USDTs can be sent. Again, I confirm everything is in order. Once I confirm, I click on confirm and make payment. Remember, you can do this either from your laptop or from your phone. I select M-Pesa as the currency, as the payment method. Currency is Kenya shillings. That means I need to send 1,000 Kenya shillings. That's the minimum. Okay. I click on confirm and continue so that I can get to make this payment. So from there, I go to make the payment details so that this transaction can be done. So I go to my phone. I go to M-Pesa real quick. Then I go to Lipa na M-Pesa, I go to pay bill, I enter the pay bill number, which is that 880 100. I enter the account number, which is 919 again, 919 again, 0018. You can actually copy it. It's a very seamless thing. You can just copy the account number. I enter the amount. Then I click on continue. Once I do that, I make the payment so that I can receive these USDTs. There I've done it. I've entered the payment information. So I just need to enter the mobile phone number that made the payment. Okay. So I will enter that because that is what I have used to make the payment from. Because nowadays we have inter-network transfers. Then from there, I key in the code. That is this TCM8 as OL9KCW. That is it. Then I just click on confirm now. Okay. Once I have done that, boom, my request has been taken. It's now telling me awaiting complete, and within no time, these USDTs will be sent to my Binance account, because that is where we have said the USDT should be sent. So that is basically how you buy USDT using apexpesa.com. So if you have any question, please feel free to raise them in the comment section so that I can address them. Again, if you want to sell, same process, just go to your dashboard. Again, just go to your dashboard. Once you go to your dashboard, just go to the sell section, enter the amount you want to sell. If it's 500 USDT, that is what you'll receive. Then go to what you're selling this time round, then enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. If it's 500, then just go to sell now. Once you click on sell now, the same process follows, and this time around, remember, you are selling your USDT. So this is the amount that you'll send. So what you're gonna do, you should get paid in M-Pesa. Come here, enter the M-Pesa number that you want to get paid. Okay, enter the number you want to get paid. Again, enter your registered phone number so that we don't, or the system does not send to money to a wrong phone number. Go to next. Then once you go to next again, you will need to now make this payment from your wallet or from your exchange to Pesa, and then Pesa will now process your payment. So just come here. The service fee is only 300 shillings. Confirm and make payment. Once you confirm and make payment, you just come here, and then you need to send this 500 USDT to this address. Then once you send the funds to this particular address, then Pesa will now process your transfer, but that is after you've pasted here the hash ID so that you have transferred that particular transaction, and automatically funds are going to be sent directly into your M-Pesa account. So we want to see if our payment has been completed. So we just go to our dashboard. We go to our dashboard. There it is. You go to our dashboard. Once you go to our dashboard, I will now see, oh, we have already one completed buy. So if you go to all buys, you will see that our order has already been completed, and there you have it. You see, our USDT has already been sent. That is 7.5 USDTs. And if we go to our Binance account, actually, we can be able to check if we have actually received the USDTs. So let's just go to our wallet and see if we have received the USDT that has been sent by apexpesa.com. So we'll just come over here because we want to see if we have received that particular transfer. Okay, so you just go to our history. So you go to deposit so that you can see our history. Then you go to deposit crypto to see if the USDT has actually been sent by Apex Pesa, and there we have it. 7.5 USDT has been completed. That's the timestamp, and that funds is what has been sent here by Apex Pesa. So that is how you buy and sell USDT in Kenya using Apex Pesa, the fastest and the most convenient way to buy and sell USDT in Kenya. Peace out.